Okay, everybody, welcome back. The last Daf Yomi little video I made, actually I left out some things. I thought it would be good for me to go back again and do it a different way. So here we have the Welcome to Mercava screen that people who do not have accounts will sign into. It could be that actually you're someone who gets this screen anyway, and you'll probably go to sign in. But let's say in this case we're not signing in, we're not signing up. We just want to check out what's going on here. So as I mentioned in the last video, one of these corners, which happens to be the right corner, says today's daf. So we're going to click on that, and that's going to take us to today's daf. Great, where we were last time. Now, just ignore those things that just showed up for a second. Great. Okay, so here we go. Now, we have basically the same daf we saw last time, and we have the same features that we saw last time. What I didn't mention last time is that if you want to go from daf to daf, you can actually click here on the right side here. You can go to the next daf. You can also go to the previous daf. So in addition, when you get to the bottom of this daf, let's say you're doing you're going phrase by phrase, either clicking on it, or if you're on a touch device, you're touching it, and you go to the next one, next one, next one, next one. You finally get to the very last word. Guess what's going to happen? Boom! It automatically takes you to the next page. Pretty cool. Okay, now let's go back. Last time we're going to open up here the little bar at the bottom that has all these controls, and here I forgot to tell you that you can actually increase and decrease the size of your amud. So look, boom, boom, there's negative, there's plus. Okay, so I guess we were as big as we could get there, but you can make it smaller, and 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 smaller. So here you can actually see it is the actual Torah daf. Nice. Okay, next, let's go back actually, because I like it on the larger side. And again, we're looking at desktop on a device, a phone, or a iPad or whatever. You will be able to have different views. You can do it from the side, you can do it from the top, however you want to do it. It looks great no matter what. We can also increase. Look, we can increase the size of the translation, or decrease in this case. Actually, no, it's increase. Well, okay, look at that. Okay, now we're going to increase. That's nice, right? Very big. So if you want to see the translation better, to have it more bold, or even bigger, to be able to see it better, then that's what you can do, and you go all the way down to this very small one. Now, of course, the smaller it is, the less space it takes. And look here also, if you have this, boom, now you have even less space that your translation is taking up, because you don't have to have this bar out, obviously. Okay, I showed you the different levels of translation last time. We did English and Hebrew last time. Now I forgot to mention that there's also navigating by words. So if you just want to go word by word, that's also an option too. Again, you can either hit your arrow like I'm hitting on this desktop, or you can click on it with your mouse, or you can touch it with your finger or pen or whatever you're using. And then you can go again back to phrases. So phrases to words to phrases to words. Nice. And we saw Rashi last time, and we saw the vowel button last time as well. So I think that pretty much covers everything. Oh, by the way, I didn't mention this. This is something we're going to see later on, meaning in a future video, is that on some amudim you can actually click on Rashi and Tosafot and go word by word. Wonderful. Now let's see, I don't know if we can do it phrase by phrase here though. Can we do phrase by phrase? We can't do phrase by phrase here, which indicates that there are no translations on Rashi and Tosafot. Now what's amazing is there are actually amudim and dapim where there are translations of Rashi and Tosafot that I found. Not all of them though. So another time we'll look at how that looks. Anyway, I hope this is helpful, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.